In this simple step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to send a gift using Guusto. Whether you're sending a single gift or multiple gifts, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to send a gift from the dashboard. Click Send Recognition on your dashboard. By default, this will be set to Gift. Search for the recipient. Type the name of the person you want to send the gift to. Guusto will show you matching results from your preloaded contacts. If the recipient is not preloaded, click Add Custom Recipient to enter their details manually. Choose the gift value. Select the currency, CAD or USD, and enter the gift amount. Select a reason for the gift. Choose from the provided options or enter your custom reason. Customize the message. Add a personal message. You can enhance it with emojis, images, or GIFs. Optionally, attach a file, for example, a PDF, if you need to include a longer message. Adjust optional settings. You can choose to notify the recipient's manager if needed. Send the gift. Click Send. The gift will be sent, and you'll see it appear in the activity feed once it reloads. Now, let's explore how to send multiple gifts at once using the bulk option. Go to Send Gifts. Let your recipient select a merchant of their choice, or you can select a merchant gift card for them, like Amazon. Select a reason for the gift. Customize the message. Select the number of gifts. Choose the gift value. Click Next Step. Add recipients. Enter each recipient individually or use the bulk upload feature. To bulk upload, download the provided template, fill it with the required details, recipient names, gift values, messages, reasons, and upload it back to Guusto. Choose delivery method. Email, send the gift directly to the recipient's email. Text, deliver the gift via SMS. Link, generate a unique link to share the gift through platforms like Slack or MS Teams. Print, create a physical copy with a QR code for the recipient to scan and access their gift. Next step, confirm order. Review your selections and confirm the order. You can also print gifts from the order confirmation page, then share them as a gift card or certificate. And that's it. You've successfully sent a gift using Guusto. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.